You are now witnessing greatness.
Let's go. Tryna get a nigga gone, chopper hit his fucking dome. Catch a hop out lacking, tell a brother just to hit my phone. If they hit him up before I get, they throw my dog a bone. Better fled the scene and get away, y'all gotta make it home. Hit a nigga up, they know what's up, they know who get active. Thug and brought they in they section, nigga play, I let them have it. Play with me, that shit ain't healthy, boy you know this shit get tragic. Switch your head, his ass up, make him disappear just like some magic. Bitch, I been up in these streets, since the jit been bustin' heat. Speak up on KD, the quickest way to end up on the T. Shoot first shit, put a pussy nigga straight to fucking sleep. Catch that fat ass rapper, always dissing, he gon' DIE. Bitch, I'm thumbing through this cash, hit that switch and shoot real fast. Bitch, you been putting belt to ass, I fuck this bitch, that's why he mad. Ride around with them extra masks, dump the clip then reload.
Nigga, all that talking, but you know we smoking on this, bro.
Keeler bro with me, cause I know he always down to blow. Up the street, up in the hood, he slammed that boy down for his pole. Better watch out for him, know he slimy, wipe a nigga nose.
No, he wipe a nigga fucking nose.
Tryna get a nigga gone, chopper hit his fucking dome. Catch a hop out lacking, tell a brother just to hit my phone. If they hit him up before I get, they throw my dog a bone. Better fled the scene and get away, y'all gotta make it home. Hit a nigga up, they know what's up, they know who get active. Thug and brought they in they section, nigga play, I let them have it. Play with me, that shit ain't healthy, boy you know this shit get tragic. Switch your head, his ass up, make him disappear just like some magic. Bitch, know what the fuck going on, nigga. Go.